In a world dominated by digital art and mass production, Sanjay Dhawan dares to tread a different path, one of patience, precision, and profound spiritual symbolism. His latest masterpiece is a one-of-a-kind work that captures not only the visual essence of Buddha but also radiates the meditative calm and contemplative depth the enlightened one represents. What sets this piece apart is not just the subject, but the medium, 36,000 individually hand-painted cardboard pieces, meticulously arranged to form a vivid, almost mosaic-like portrait of Buddha in fiery reds, oranges, and yellows that contrast against a grounding sea of black. From afar, the artwork stuns with its vibrant palette and strong composition. But up close, the viewer is drawn into the hypnotic detail of thousands of uniquely shaped cardboard fragments, each painted by hand with love and care. The process behind the piece. Creating such a large-scale, textural piece is not for the faint-hearted. Sanjay Dhawan spent countless hours, days and nights, cutting, painting, and placing each piece with meditative focus. The result? A sensory experience that blends visual art with tactile fascination. The artwork not only depicts Buddha, it feels like Buddha, centered, serene, and transcendent. Each stroke of paint and each carefully selected color contributes to the overall aura of enlightenment. The transition from dark to light, from shadow to glow, serves as a metaphor for the spiritual journey itself. A labor of love and vision. This piece isn't just an art object. It's a one-of-a-kind work that demonstrates what happens when creativity meets dedication. With 36,000 hand-painted cardboard pieces, Sanjay Dhawan doesn't just create art, he tells a story. A story of mindfulness, perseverance, and artistic integrity. What also makes this artwork remarkable is its sustainable foundation. Using recycled cardboard as a medium breathes new life into materials often overlooked. In a subtle way, it echoes Buddhist principles of mindfulness, resourcefulness, and non-attachment. Final thoughts. Sanjay Dhawan's work stands as a powerful testament to what art can achieve when it merges craftsmanship, spiritual depth, and eco-conscious thinking. In a single frame, he encapsulates thousands of moments of thought, brush strokes, and devotion. For collectors, art lovers, and admirers of spiritual iconography, this is not just a piece to look at. It's a presence to live with.